Welcome to Xinda Clover. Today we will introduce 3 kinds of manager table for selecting the right ones in your office space. Now what you see is our yoga manager desk with a 1.2 meter high cabinet. Our concept is to make the light designed for clients, aluminum table leg and the 18mm tabletop to make the whole executive to be coordinated aesthetically. 2-meter side cabinet makes up have enough storage space equipped with a wire box and plastic snags for realizing the wire management function. 60mm modesty panel is indispensable for keeping privacy. The table leg is made of aluminum. Red color for them is the trend in office market to create a comfortable atmosphere. Following is our SL single desk. We equip with 1.5 meter half glass cabinet for storing the personal items and documents. The whole concept is that simple and stylish design to make a stronger structure. White powder-coated table legs is always at the forefront of the fashion. The cross-section of the table leg is the triangle shape. 16mm modesty panel is necessary for realizing private space in an open office environment. The whole table will be more lightened and graceful with a 25mm bevel tabletop. The last is the MDF veneer executive desk. Suspended tabletop with the PU ladder shows a luxurious appearance. There will be a grommet for wire running from the floor to the top. The socket inserted in the side cabinet can ensure the whole table to be more clean and tidy. New Chinese style fits the market need. Different combinations can reduce the tedious atmosphere in an office space. Credenza with an elegant design can add a sense of classic. This is the end of today's introduction. Which kind of executive desk would you like? Welcome to contact us for more office proposals. And meanwhile, we will upload more office furniture product videos in the future. Please subscribe us for more details. Thanks for your listening. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.